leading university project for international cooperation presents video series on science and mathematics education in association with Jeonju National University of Education, South Korea, National Research Foundation, and Kathmandu University, Nepal.
Good morning and namaste everyone. My name is Manoj Devkota. I am a student of PGD in Mathematics Education at Kathmandu University. Today I am going to present a lesson on integrating ICT in teaching sets. Before jumping into the definition of the sets, I would like to show you some pictures related to sets in our daily life. So here you can see the collection of coats, collection of pants, collection of shoes, and in this next picture you can see the collection of spoons, collection of plates, and collection of kitchenwares. The set is a collection of well-defined and distinct objects. Okay, after defining the sets, we move on to the representation of the sets. There are three ways of representing sets. The first way is tabular or roster method. So as you can see in the example presented here, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 inside a curly bracket. It is a set of odd number which is less than 10 inside a curly bracket, right? This is a perfect example of set notation using roster or tabular form. Another famous method is visual representation using Venn diagram. So what is Venn diagram? Venn diagram, it is a visual representation of the sets which gives the logical relationship between two sets or more sets, but we will only cover two sets in this session. So in the Venn diagram, the information of one set is presented in form of circle, and the circle sometimes can be overlapped. So overlapping represents the commonality which we say intersection. So we have a small question here. Analyze whether the group of all handsome people of Nepal is a set or not. So how can you define the handsomeness of a person? It varies from person to person, right? So do you think this is a set? Obviously not, right? Because the handsomeness of a people varies from person to person. As it is said, the beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. So it varies, it is not well defined. So this is not a set. So Venn diagram, it is a visual way of representing sets. And overlapping represents commonality between two sets. And it is a clever way of representing sets because it gives a lot of information, because one picture can say 100 things. Now let's move on to the union, intersection, and difference of the sets. So there is one activities which I have presented here. So we have to make a set made up of your 5 best friends. In my case, let's say I have a friend Hari, Krishna, Gopal, Radha, Santosh. As I have mentioned earlier, it is represented inside the curly bracket, and so it is a member, so it can be lowercase. Now make a group of friends who like soccer. So in my case, you can also make your sets. In my case, soccer, Hari, Santosh, and Krishna like soccer. And who like volleyball? So example, volleyball, Hari, Gopal, and Radha likes volleyball. Now the members who like either soccer or volleyball or both is the union of two sets, which is represented by the symbol U. So the union of volleyball and soccer is Hari, Santosh, Krishna, Gopal, and Radha. All of the people, right? From two sets. And now let's move on to the intersection. The friends who like both, that is soccer and volleyball. That is Hari, right? So it is a intersection which is represented by intersection inverted U. Next, we can also subtract one set from another. How do we do? For example, take volleyball and subtract soccer means members that play volleyball but not soccer. So volleyball minus soccer, that is subtracting soccer from volleyball. The members who play only volleyball, that is Gopal and Radha in my case, right? What is in your case? How can it be complete without incorporating GeoGebra tools or ICT tools? The concept which we discussed earlier can also be demonstrated using an ICT tool, which is a GeoGebra in my case. So let's dive into the demonstration of two sets, A and B. So if I click on, if I am interested on only A, so this is only A, and if I am interested in both, either A or B or both, then I will click on this. So it gives all the information within two circles. Also, if I am interested in commonality or the intersection part, I'll click this one, and it is set it here already. And also one property, that is complement, which belongs to universal set U. This is a square shape, is a universal set U, but does not belongs to two sets. Similarly, we can also demonstrate one concept of sets. So this is one question I brought here, which says find the union, intersection and difference between A equals to 1 to 10 and B equals to odd number less than 10. So how can we do here? Given A and B, see this one. So if I say A union B is 1 to 9, it says try again. So what is the right answer? Try again means try next time. This is not correct. So A union B is all elements that is in either A or B or both. So this is 1 to 10, right? Congratulations, we got it right. Next, let's move on to the intersection part. What is the intersection of this A and B? You can see here what is common in both. So intersection represents common in both, right? So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 is common in both. So if I provide here only 1 and 3, it says try again. So let's try again. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, we got it right, this one also. You can also try this one, and you can change the sets A and B and try again. You can also try. So let's move on to the difference of two sets. So difference of two sets is this A minus B represents, in earlier case, who likes volleyball but not football. Do you remember? Okay, so here A minus B is the person, the numbers which is in A but not in B. Which are the elements that are in A but not in B? Can you guess? 2, 4? No, try again. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, right? Okay, we got it right, this one also. So in similar case, we can integrate ICT, several ICT tools for teaching sets and make mathematics really fun. Okay, with these slides, I would like to conclude my today's session. But if you have any questions related to these lessons, you could put the questions in the comment section below. Thank you so much.